ikaw din. Uy, ikaw din.
Wait.
Wala na. Tagal.
Girlfriend, she's upset. She's going on
Ay, video pala yan.
something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm your rude, typical, just say now. Listen to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do. But she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see.
Ano ba yan?
Pinilit. Pinapatawa ko lang kayo eh. Pa. Dapat may halong ano para hindi sila mababore.
Sinabi mo lang.
See, you belong.
Ang sakit tumama sa mata ko, lo. Ay, sorry.
Standing by and waiting at the
Hindi
front
ko yun.
door.
Hindi pa yun, di ba?
I will
Walk through the streets.
we're not changed. I cannot thinking this is how it felt to me. Laughing on the park bench, thinking to myself, isn't this Christmas? And you've got a smile that light up this whole time.
Ba't na kayo nag-aaway?
Since you brought you down. Ang gulo kasi. Wait lang. You say you're fine, I know you're better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? She wears high heels. Ayoko na nga.
Uy, nagagalit yung bangas si Pauline. Huwag kayong...
Yung bangs ng duyan.
Nagagalit talaga yung bangas niya. Huwag kayong ganyan.
Kaya lumalabas. Si Bangs.
Magwawawaw ka nga.
Makasim na lang, Makasim na lang.
Ay, mag-hep-hep hooray kayo dun sa labas.
Mag-ano?
Hep-hep hooray.
Ay, sige.
Tapos paano yan? Sa kayo magbibideo, kawawa naman.
Hindi, sino magbibigay? Sino na lang, di man yung mag-hep-hep for it.
Ay, sino ang host? Si Louie. Siya si Papi.
Sige. Dapat i-video natin.
Ay,